team. Today's going to be something slightly different. We're going to do an unboxing. And I don't do an unboxing previously because it's not really related to health. But I can relate this to health. Because if you think about mental health, people like to do shopping, buy new things. And I like to do that as well because there's that dopamine rush. There's that buzz you get when you get something new. So what have I got that's new? Well, my phone, because I use it for work and I use it, probably overuse my phone. They start to die on me, and my current phone is starting to die on me. So I gave in to the hype and I bought an iPhone with insurance and all that kind of stuff. So it's here somewhere. Here it is. So the reason it's related to health is because there's a process called hedonistic adaptation, and what that process is that you want something like a car, and then you get it, and then after a while it stops being that exciting and you stop really caring. And the car gets scratchy, you're not really that fussed. So that does happen, and this is like a psychological phenomenon. So we're going to unbox this while I talk about psychology. So how do you get around it? How do you actually like do qadr of things and keep value for things? I have no idea. I guess it's about appreciating the little things and not things like an iPhone, because these things are material, temperamental, and you're going to lose them and they're going to break and you're going to get bored of them. So this is just the box, and then this is what you get inside, and then there's your phone. Headphones come with it, which is great. I've seen loads of people with these funny looking headphones and I thought they look really strange. And then the charger, and that's about it. So the idea is, if you don't want hedonistic adaptation, if you don't want to get something and then you got the phone as well, awesome. Then the process is appreciate the small things. Don't worry about the big things. They're going to come and go.